Yeah. Good evening, friends. See, myself, Dr. U. Seshadri. I have total 18 years of teaching experience. I am AWS certified trainer at associate level. See, I am providing the training is at associate level. I am providing the training 40 to 45 days of the training. Once you are registered the course, then every day you are getting class recording videos, class material, and at the end of the training, you got AWS terms, and each and every topic, the screenshot explanation also you are getting at the end of the training. For this, the course fee is 5,000 rupees. Friends, in my training program, I have covered those concepts I had to cover. Those are the concepts I had to cover. Right, friends? So those concepts I had to cover. See, in detail also, I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. Already yesterday also, I'll send what content I had to cover in my training program. Those are the content I had to cover in my training program. See that? I'll send it the chat box. You can download in the chat box. See, on day one demo session, we'll discuss the basics of cloud computing we are discussing, and also what are advantages of cloud computing, what are the deployment models or the types of clouds we are discussed in the last session. Models. Three types of cloud delivery models are there: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. See, those are nothing but cloud delivery models are there. Cloud delivery models are there, friends. Now, today's session, we are going to discuss one more concept is how to create AWS retail account. What are the steps we have to follow? What are the steps we have to follow? Already I have AWS free tier account is there, friends. That's why I'm not creating with hands-on to create your AWS account. With the help of the screenshot, I'll explain that how to create your AWS free tier account. See that we have to follow the link to create your AWS free tier account. I'll send it in the chat box also to create your AWS free tier account. To create your AWS free tier account. See, already I told that in the last session to create your AWS free tier account, you need the credit card or debit card, and you also your mail ID. These three things are required to create your AWS free tier account. Friends, I had to follow the steps. With the help of the steps, you can create your AWS free tier account. See, once you click on this link, then it is redirecting to sign into your AWS account. Sign into your AWS account. Then, friends, it is asking to enter your mail ID. Your mail ID. Whatever the mail ID is there, that mail ID we have to enter it. And also, friends, you need to enter your AWS account name. Your AWS account name. See, while given the account name, the name must be unique. Name must be unique. And then click on verify email address. You have to click on the verify email address. That point also I have mentioned, friends. Here, you need to enter your mail ID. You can enter your account name. And then we have to click on verify email address. See, to give the account name, the name must be unique. Here I mentioned the point. Here I mentioned the point. See, in your mail ID, you can click on verify email address. In your mail ID, you receive one OTP you have to receive. One-time password you have to receive to your mail ID. That one-time password you have to enter it here. This is the verification code. And then we can click on verify option. We can click on verify option. Once you click on verify option, then it is asking that you need to enter your AWS account password. And we have to confirm the password. To confirm the password, again, we have to type the password and then click on continue option. See, to create your AWS free tier account, it's totally 5-step process. That is the first step. You need to enter your mail ID. You need to enter your mail ID and the account number and the account name we have to give it. Whenever you can click on verify email address to your mail ID, you receive one-time password. That one-time password, whenever you can enter it here and click on verify option, then it is asking that enter the root user password and we have to confirm the password. We have to confirm the password. That is the first step we are done. Then the second step is nothing but, see friends, while given the password, how you give the password to your AWS account means we have to follow those one. See, the password must contain at least the 8 characters length. Password must contain at least 8 characters length. And also your password contain the minimum of these 3 things. Your password contain uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and also the alphanumeric. Minimum your password contain these 3 things. Minimum of thing. That's point I mentioned, that password must be at least the 8 characters length and contain at least 3 of the following things. And friends. Next, when you are enter the password, click on continue option, then it is asking that we have to sign up for your AWS. You can enter your personal details. How do you plan to use your AWS account? That's for business or the personal. You have to choose it the personal. You have to choose it personal. Fine. Then you can enter your name. You can enter your mail ID. You can enter your country, and you have to enter address, city, state, postal code, put the tick mark here, and then click on continue option. That is the second step to create your AWS account. You need to fill your information. You need to fill the details, personal details, you need to fill it. And then click on continue option. Once you fill your personal details, then the next step is nothing but it is asking to your card details. Already I told that to create your AWS free tier account, the 3 things are required. One is your credit card or debit card. Second one is your mobile number is required. Third one is your mail ID is required. These 3 things are required to create your AWS free tier account, right? So once you enter your that is asking that you need to enter your card number. See here, credit card will be accepting. See, some card and your card expiration month we have to specify. Expiration year you need to specify. Card holder name we have to enter. If you turn off the card, then at the back CVV number, 3-digit number is there. That 3-digit number we have to enter. And the billing address we have to specify. And do you have the PAN card? If yes, you have to choose the yes option. Otherwise, we have to choose the no option. We have to choose it. And then we can click on verify and continue option. That is the third step we have to done it. That is your card details you need to enter. Your card details you need to enter it, friends. See, once you enter your card details and then verify and continue option, whenever you are click on that, then to your bank account, first you receive the OTP to your mobile number, right? And once you enter the OTP from your bank account, yes, already, yes.
Why so?
Yes, already.
Voice cut to the
Why is not clarity? Yes, I can expect because in my area no power. With I can use the mobile light and then I can connect with Wi-Fi. That's why the voice may be breaking now, I think.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Sorry, sir.
Fine, fine, fine. So from your account, 2 rupees will be deducted, and we can click on, once you can enter the OTP, and then we can click on submit option to your bank account. The 2 rupees will be deducted. 2 rupees will be deducted, friends. Fine. After that, again it is asking confirm your identity. Again it is asking confirm your identity. To confirm your identity, you have to enter. You need to enter. You have to choose text message or the voice call. Text message or the voice call. And then you can choose the country. You can enter your mobile number. Whatever the security check anywhere AWS creation at that time, that security check, you can enter it here and then click on send SMS option. Click on send SMS option. That is the fourth step we have done it while creating your AWS retire account, friends. Fine. See, once you have received in your mobile verification code is received, we can enter that verification code, click on continue option. Click on continue option, friends. See, after click on continue option, then it is asking that which plan you need to select it. Which plan you need to select it. That is the basic plan. See, I can recommend that to create your AWS retire account, you need to choose the basic plan, you need to choose it. See, if you are creating AWS retire account, 12 months it is providing the free service. 12 months it is providing the free service. I'll tell you the limitations of your AWS retire account also, friends. And the next plan, if you are choosing the developer plan, per month you need to pay the amount is $29. If you are choosing the business plan, per month you need to pay $100 per month, right? See, that's why you are practicing purpose. You have to choose your AWS basic plan. You need to choose it. Basic plan, you need to choose it, friends. Fine. And then after that, click on complete sign up process. Click on complete sign up process. Then you are getting congratulations. Go to your AWS management console, right? After that, then it is also asking that what is your role and your interested area we have to specify and then click on submit option. Then your AWS account is created and in the management console, it is providing the screen is like that it will be visible. Like that it will be visible, friends. Fine. See, those are the steps we have to follow to create your AWS retire account, friends. To create your AWS retire account. See, friends, if you click on in this link, that is, it is showing your AWS retire account limitations which are showing, friends. See, already I have my AWS retire account is there. Already I have AWS retire account I am created. I can sign in with my AWS account. Click on management console. See that here I can sign in. Sign in. As the internet connection is slow, I can connect it with my mobile. That's why the internet connection is very poor. See here, in this the AWS retire account, retire limitations are also mentioned, friends. See here, see the compute service. How many months it is providing the free service? 12 months it is providing the free service. See, per month 750 hours it is providing the free service. Per month 750 hours it is providing the free service. See, friends, 750 hours per month of Linux, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, T2.micro or T3.micro. T3.micro or T2.micro instance depends on the reason. If T2.micro it's not available, then T3.micro is providing the free service. How many hours it is providing the free service? 750 hours per month. 12 months it is providing the free service. Compute service is providing the 12 months, friends, right? And also, friends, the another service is the storage service. 12 months it is providing the free service. See, 5 GB it is providing the free service. 5 GB it is providing the free service. 20,000 get request it is providing. 2,000 put request it is providing, friends. Put request it is providing. And also database, 12 months it is providing the free service. 750 hours it is providing the free service. Per month, 750 hours it is providing the free service. I'll tell you what are the how we are connecting the MySQL also in our upcoming sessions, right? See, it is providing the instance is db.t3.micro or db.t4g.micro instances. It is providing the free service in single availability zone. In single availability zone. And also see, friends, the database DynamoDB. Always it is providing the free service. 25 GB storage it is providing in the DynamoDB. SageMaker. For machine learning, we are using the SageMaker. 2 months it is providing the free trial. Lambda service, always it is providing the free service. See, per month, 1 million requests can be provided. And also, friends, if you scroll down here, artificial intelligence, always it is providing the free. And analytics, it's a new 12 months it is providing the free service. 750 hours per month it is providing notification service. Always it is providing the free service. 1 million publishers it is providing the free service. See, I mentioned that the compute service 750 hours it is providing the free service. Free service, right? Suppose if you are launching the EC2 missions, the 3 instances you are launching, Linux server or the Windows mission. See, how many hours it is providing per month the free service it is providing? 750 hours. 3 instances, 3 servers means that is 24 into 3. 24 into 3, right? Per day. That much of hours can be utilized into 30 days. If it exceeds 750 hours, then you are getting billed to your AWS account, friends. Those are the limitations of the compute service. Compute service means you are using the EC2 service. Similarly, the storage service also. If it exceeds the 5 GB, then you are getting the bill to your AWS account, right? And also, friends, we have to scroll down here. There are many AWS services that are there. See, CloudWatch is there. Always it is providing the free service. Mobile, that is API gateways, 12 months it is providing the free service. App Stream, 40 hours it is providing the free service, right? There are many services which are there, and in this link it is providing the limitations also. Free tier account limitations also, friends. See, you have to use always to open your free tier account, to open your AWS account. See, every day we have to use it. Sign in with your root user mail ID. Sign in with your root user mail ID. See, it is asking that the 2 types of users are there. I'll tell you in detail to explain in identity and access management concept. See, root user is there, IAM is there. Always you have to select it to your root user mail ID. You have to select whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of your AWS account, free tier account. That mail ID we have to enter it and then click on next option. Then you need to enter whatever the password you are given at the time of your AWS free tier account. That password you need to enter it here. And then click on sign in option. Click on sign in option. Then your AWS account is open. Your AWS account is open. See, friends. See, friends. Your AWS account is open. Fine. See, in my AWS free tier account, here in my cursor points, we have to observe that those are recently visited services. I am using the services billing and cost management, AWS Glue, Athena, IAM, EC2, S3, VPC, CloudWatch, and the Lambda services account. See, when you are open here, your name is there at the top. See that. Your AWS account ID is also providing here. See, when you are click on this arrow mark, those many reasons which are supported. Just wait. Those many reasons which are supported. If you click on this link, internet connection is very poor. Right, friends? See how to create your AWS free tier account and what are your AWS free tier limitations. And then when you are creating your AWS free tier account, how the appearance can be I'm representing here. See here, those many reasons which are supported. In the yesterday session, I explained that your AWS global infrastructure. In your AWS global infrastructure, 34 reasons are there and 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. In my AWS free tier account, those many reasons which are supported. If you scroll down here, at the bottom, there are reasons are there. 12 reasons not enabling for your AWS account. If you want to enable those reasons, we can click on manage reasons option is there. Manage reasons option is there. We can enable those reasons also. Those reasons also. See friends, if you scroll down here, you need to enable Hong Kong. You have to select it and the enable option is there. And the enable option is there. Here, Hong Kong region is enabled. Hong Kong region will be enabled. See, those steps we have to follow how to create your AWS free tier account. AWS free tier account. And also I mentioned that what are your AWS free tier accounts are also I mentioned friends. See, we have to see that once you completed, then after completion, then your preparation is well, then you can attempt the global certification also. That is, you can apply the foundation level certifications, right? You may apply associate level, that is AWS certified solution architect. You may apply the global certification, AWS certified developer, associate level. We can attempt the exam. AWS certified system apps administrator, associate level, we can apply. See, I am providing the training is at associate level. At associate level. See, you are the freshers, you may apply at the first time, the foundation level, we have to apply for the global certification purpose. You have to register to write the exam and then we have to schedule the exam and we can write it. See, in the 2 years back, when I applied the AWS associate level certification, 15,000 rupees I paid it and additionally I paid the GST also. 15,000 plus GST. I think the price may be very right at this time also, right? So those are, see, there is no coding skills also required to learn your AWS skills. If you have the coding skills, Python and the Java, then you may apply the jobs, not a CSE background and not a computer science background, then you can apply the jobs for the administrator jobs also. They are getting the good salaries. They are getting the good salaries. See friends, once you are qualified at associate level, then your weightage is more when you are attempting to the interviews. See, the certification, global certification will be valid in 3 years. Will be valid in 3 years, friends. Fine. Sir, I am certified associate level. Then after that, I can learn. See, in the direct, you don't go for the DevOps engineering jobs. They are not recruiting the jobs also because they need the experience, the AWS environment. That's why they can join as in the not direct DevOps engineering jobs. After that, 1 or 2 years, then you may learn the tools, DevOps tools. Then this guy is also eligible for writing the professional level exam. This guy is also eligible for DevOps engineer. This AWS certified solution architect associate level, this person is also eligible for AWS certified DevOps engineer. See, apart from that, AWS certified big data specialty, AWS certified Alexa skill builder specialization certificate, AWS certified machine learning specialization certificate, AWS certified advanced networking. There are many more certifications which are providing friends. There are many more certifications which are providing, friends. Fine. Fine. See, in this today's session, just wait, the power is came. I can switch to the my Wi-Fi account. Explain the service, how to launch and connect your Windows server. Yes, I'm connecting. Fine. Now my voice is clear. Send me in the chat box. Send me in the chat box. If it's clear, then first I have to check it, the speed also. That is internet speed, I have to check it because I need to launch and connect the Windows server. Yes, the internet speed is also good. Good. Fine. Fine, friends. No problem. Fine. Now, today's session, that is one I have to explain how to create your AWS free tier account. I can explain. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? I have to explain. With the help of the screenshots, I have to explain, friends. Now, the second concept I need to explain that how to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect the Windows server. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? What are the steps we have to follow, friends? See, to launch and connect the Windows server, to launch the Windows mission or the instant or the virtual mission, all are the same terminology, friends. To launch your Windows server, we have to use the EC2 service, we have to use it. The EC2 stands for the Elastic Cloud Computing. EC2 stands for the Elastic Cloud Computing. Using the EC2 service, if you want to launch the Linux server, we can launch the Linux server. If you want to launch Red Hat Linux, you can launch it. If you want to launch the Windows server, we can launch it. I want to balancing the load using the EC2 service, we can also balance the load. I want to take the snapshot, we can take the snapshots also, right? See, those are the EC2 service, it is possible. Sir, where the EC2 service will be available? In your AWS free tier account. See that here on left side, services option is there, friends. First, you need to select any region, friends. You may select the Mumbai region. See that first, I can sign out and sign in, friends. See, if you want to open your AWS free tier account, click on sign in option. Click on sign in option. You can choose always root user mail ID. You can enter whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of your AWS free tier account. That mail ID we have to give it, and you need to enter the password. You need to enter the password and then click on sign in. Then your AWS account is open. Fine. You may choose any region. You may choose the North Virginia region. You may choose the Mumbai region, Singapore region, Sydney region, any region we are to choose it. All the services will be worked out. I am selecting the Mumbai region. Every day I am selecting. I have to explore the services. I have to explore the services, friends. Friends, I want to launch the Windows mission. To launch the Windows mission, you need to choose the EC2 service. Here on recently visited services, the EC2 service is there. If you click on here, then the EC2 service is open. Or at the top left side, services option is there. Under, we have to select the compute service. Under, we have to choose it, the EC2 service, we have to choose it. See, friends, the EC2 service is open. EC2 service is open. See, in the EC2 dashboard, we have to observe that one key pair is there. I can delete the key pair also for your understanding purpose. For the previous batch, I am creating the key pair to explain the concept, Athena concept. See, now we observe the EC2 dashboard. EC2 dashboard. How many instances are running? 0. How many key pairs are there? 0. How many security groups are there? One security group is there. That is the default security group is there, friends. Fine. How many volumes are there? 0. Now, today's session, you want to launch and connect the Windows server. To launch and connect the Windows server, here the first step is you need to select the region. What is the first step, friends? To launch and connect the Windows server, you need to select the region. You need to select the region. See which region I am selecting? The Mumbai region I am selecting. Then the second step, to launch your Windows machine, you need to select the instant. You need to select the instant. We have to select it. See where the instant option is there. Here on EC2 service, under the instances option is there. We have to select, click on launch instances option. We have to click on launch instances option. We have to select the instance option. Then the next step is, see here, we have to give the instant name. Friends, you are launching the Windows mission. You are launching the Windows mission is nothing but we have to give the name of the mission. You may give any name. Your name also we have to give it. No problem at all. See, I am given the instant name is Windows 101 I am given. You may give any name. Windows we have to give it, or you may give the Windows server we have to give it. That is, we have to give the instant name. We have to give the instant name we have to give it. Here I am given as the instant name is Windows 101 I am given. Windows 101 I am given, friends. Fine. Then the next step is to launch your virtual machine, to launch your Windows server in Mumbai region data center. You need to select the operating system image. The operating system image is nothing but Amazon mission image. Sir, what is Amazon mission image? That is in the short format, the AMI is there. AMI is nothing but stands for Amazon mission image. See, it's nothing but is a template that contains software configuration, which includes operating system, application server, and the applications required to launch your instance. With that operating system image or the Amazon mission image, you are launching your missions. You are launching your servers. Friends, in this session, you are launching the Windows server. That's why which operating system you need to select it? Windows. Windows, we have to select it. See that there are many operating system images are there. Amazon Linux is there, Mac OS is there, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, right? There are Debian is there, right? There are many are there. Now in this session, you are launching the Windows operating system. We have to select. We have to scroll down. If you click on this arrow mark, see that here on right side, pre-tier eligible is there. We have to scroll down here. Some of them are not mentioned pre-tier. See, you are for practicing purpose, you need to select pre-tier eligible one. Click on here. Click on here. That is the next step is you need to select the operating system image. Operating system image. That is, I am selecting the Windows I am selecting. Then the next step, you have to see that I am selecting the AMI, retire eligible one I am selecting. Then it is showing the AMI ID. Then you need to select the instant type. You need to select the instant type. Instant types. Sir, what it is providing the instant type? Friends, if you are launching Linux server, if you are launching Windows server, or any server, if you are launching, the three things are required. The three things are nothing but one is CPU, second one is memory, third one is your hard disk. Your hard disk. These three things are required, friends, to launch any instance, to launch any server. See, what it is providing the instant type. The instant type, it is providing number of CPUs and the memory and what is the network performance it is providing. That is the instant type It is providing number of CPUs, memory, and the network performance. Friends, here the instant type, compare instant type option is there. Compare instant type option is there. We can click on compare instant type. See friends, I am selecting the Mumbai region. In Mumbai region, how many instant types are there? 538 instant types are there. As per your business needs, you need to select the instant type. See, there are T2 family is there, T3 family is there. Suppose if we are selecting T3.2 extra large, how many CPUs it is providing? 8 CPUs are providing. How much memory it is providing? 32 GB memory it is providing. What is the network performance it is providing? Up to 5 gigabytes, it is providing the network performance. If we scroll down here, the A1 family is also there. If I am selecting A1.metal, how many CPUs it is providing? 16 CPUs. How much memory it is providing? 32 GB memory it is providing. What is the network performance? Up to 10 gigabytes. Friends, as per your business requirement, as per your business needs, you need to select the instant. Accordingly, you are getting the bill also. Just now, after completion of your AWS free tier account, I am telling the limitations also. What is the limitation I am saying? The instant T2.micro, it is providing the free service. In the region T2.micro instant, which is not available, T3.micro, it is providing the free service. Friends, you are for practicing purpose, you need to select the instant type is T2.micro. T2.micro, it is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. It is providing the network performance is low to moderate. It is providing per month 750 hours. It is providing the free service. I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. I am selecting. Click on select instant type. Click on select instant type. Here also it is providing default T2.micro instant type is there. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. Here I can mention that I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. T2.micro, right? The T2.micro, it is providing how many CPUs? 1 CPU. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. Wait for hard disk also. Fine. Then the next step is to launch your Windows mission in Mumbai region data center. You need to create the key pair. Sir, already I have the key pairs are there. Then no need to create. We have to select this arrow mark. We have to click on your created key pair. Right now, I am not creating any key pair. Sir, why the key pair is required means without key pair, you are not connecting your Windows machine. You are not connecting your Linux server. You are not connecting your Ubuntu server also. Right? You are not connecting your machines. That's why you need to create the key pair. Click on create new key pair option is there. I am given the key pair name is Windows 101 key I am given. Copy this key pair name, paste it here in the notepad. Paste it here in the notepad. That is, you can create the key pair. You can create the key pair. I am creating the key pair name is Windows 101. I am given friends. Scroll down here. Key pair type, you select RSA because the RSA is providing more security, and the private key file format, PEM file format, we have to select it. Click on create key pair. Key pair is downloaded in my downloads option with the name Windows 101 key PEM file. See here in my downloads, see Windows 101 key PEM file is there. Fine. Scroll down, key pair is created. Next step, network settings. To launch your Windows machine, click on edit option. Right now, we have to choose the default VPC. In upcoming session, I am creating your own virtual private cloud. Your own virtual private cloud. Under your virtual private cloud, you can create your under your virtual private cloud, you can launch your Linux server, you can launch your Windows machines also. Right now, we have to select the default VPC. VPC stands for the virtual private cloud. See, already I told that in the last session also, In Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Suppose if I am selecting AP South 1A, my Windows mission is launched in AP South 1A availability zone. If I am selecting AP South 1B, my instance will be launched in on that availability zone. If I am not given any preference, means my instance will be launched in any one of the 3 availability zone. Default auto assign public IP that is enabled is there, friends. Now, see the firewalls. It's nothing but the security group. What is that is a security group is a set of firewall rules. Set of firewall rules that controls the traffic for your instance. For that, you need to create the security group. You need to create the security group. See, already the security group name is there, launch wizard 1. But if we are launching the 10 missions, it is showing the security group is launch wizard 1, launch wizard 2, launch wizard 3, and so on, launch wizard 10 it is showing. So instead of that, for our easy understanding purpose, I am given the security group name is Windows 101 SG I am given. Copy the security group name, paste it here in the description, and also I have to note down in the notepad. That is in network settings. In network settings, we have to click on edit option. Here in edit option, we have to select the VPC. Which VPC you need to select it? The default VPC we have to select it. And network preference, subnet preference, you are not given any subnet preference. Auto assign public IP, the default values we have to take it. And the security group I am given for understanding purpose. This is Windows 101 security group I am given. Scroll down. Friends, you are launching the Windows server. Default inbound security group role. Type is providing RDP, remote desktop protocol. Remote desktop. Port range is for Windows mission 3389. Source type here. If you click on this arrow mark, 3 options it is providing. If I am selecting my IP address, my laptop or the desktop IP address it is selecting. Means with that IP address only you are connecting the Windows machine. Suppose if I am selecting the custom, then you need to enter the IP address. With that IP address, the Windows machine is connected. Or the administrator has to enter the IP address. Sir, if I am selecting anywhere, then if you know my AWS account credentials, if you know my Windows server, the PEM file format, you can connect my Windows server at any time, at any place, at any location. That's why here I am selecting the source type is anywhere I am selecting, friends. Fine, fine, fine. Next step is the storage. See, you are launching the Windows mission. The default it is providing the storage is 30 GB it is providing. That is nothing but the root volume. See how much storage it is providing. How much storage it is providing for Windows mission. For Windows mission, the Windows mission, the storage it is providing 30 GB. See what is the hard disk capacity? The 30 GB it is providing. 30 GB it is providing, friends. Fine, fine. Next, see, I can mention that point also. For Windows Server, tomorrow also I am asking. For Windows Server, the type is RDP. Port range is 3389. On tomorrow's session, I am launching the Linux server. I am asking what is the type, what is the port number. What is the port number? Tomorrow we'll see that one. Fine. Now, the default storage it is providing 30 GB. Right now, I am not adding any additional volume of disk. In upcoming, I am adding additional volume of disk also. Scroll down. Advanced details are there. Right now, I am not using. See here. Here on right side, it is providing the summary details. Sir, how many instances you need to launch it? How many virtual missions you need to launch it? You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, or you have 10. As per that, you have to select it. You have to select it. See, I am launching one instance. It is providing the summary details. See, what is the instance type you are selecting? T2.micro. How much storage it is providing? 30 CB. Here we have to scroll down. Here also free tier account limitations which are representing. See here, 750 hours of T2.micro or T3.micro in the regions in which T2.micro is not available. Not available, right? See, it is providing the summary details at the right side or at the bottom. And then we can click on launch instance. Friends, my Windows machine is launched in the Mumbai region. See that? See that? What is the instance state? Running. See here, while launching the mission, what is the instant name I am given? Windows 101. This is the instant ID in a queue. Instant state is running. Instant type, while launching the mission, T2.micro I am given. Status right now it is not showing. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. The status check it is showing 2 by 2. In upcoming session also, I'll tell you why it is showing the 2 by 2. Right? If you scroll down here in the network settings, subnet preference I am not given. My instant Windows mission is launched in AP South 1. In my mission, public IPv4 DNS. This is the public IPv4. Scroll down. While launching the Windows mission, the security group is this one. While launching the Windows mission, I am creating the key pair is Windows 101 key I am given. This is the launch date and time it is showing. See that if you move this scroll bar, it is showing the details. See, if we are selecting this Windows mission, at the bottom also it is showing the details. See that I have to note down my Windows mission public IP address. My Windows mission public IP address. Public IP address. And also I want to note down the private IP address of my Windows mission. Private IP address of my Windows mission. The private IP address of my Windows mission is this one. Copy this, paste it here. Sir, I want to connect this Windows mission. Sir, how to connect this Windows mission? To connect the Windows mission, you need the terminal is required. That is, sir, I am using in my laptop, Windows operating system I am using. Then in your laptop, the remote desktop connection is there. See that? Remote desktop connection is there. Sir, I am using Linux operating system. Don't worry, I'll tell you. Sir, I am using Mac operating system. Don't worry. How you are connecting the Windows mission from Mumbai region data center, I'll tell you. See, we have to select your launched instance. Go for connect option is there. Click on connect option. See friends, here session manager tab is there. RDP client is there. EC2 serial console is there. We can click on RDP client. See that this is my mission instant ID. Windows 101 I am given. See, I am using Linux operating system in my laptop. Then we can download remote desktop file option is there. You are using Mac operating system. We can download remote desktop file. With the help of remote desktop file, you can connect your Windows machine. You can connect your Windows machine. Sir, I am using Windows operating system. You no need to install, you no need to download remote desktop file, right? With the help of remote desktop connection, you are connecting Windows machine from Mumbai region data center. And also friends, in this Windows machine, I have to note down the public DNS of my Windows machine. I have to note down the username, the administrator. That is also I have to note down in the note. That is per observation and noted point of view, I can note down. And see that without the password, you are not connecting your Windows machine, friends. See, while launching the Windows machine, I am creating the key pair. What is the file format I am selecting? PEM file format. With that PEM file format, then you are getting the password. See, you can click on get password option is there. See, upload private key file option is there. Click on upload private key file. Where my PEM file is there? In my downloads. What's your PEM file name? That is Windows 101 key is there. That PEM file we are to select it. Click on open. Scroll down here. Decrypt password option is there. Click on decrypt password. See that you are getting the password. Copy the password as is. Paste it here in the notepad. If single character is missing, then you are not connecting your Windows machine. That's why I copy and paste it in the notepad, friends. Fine. Sir, I want to connect the Windows machine. I'm using Windows operating system. In my laptop, remote desktop connection is there. With the help of remote desktop connection, you have to connect your Windows server from Mumbai region data center. Click on remote desktop connection. See, it is asking computer. You need to enter public IPv4 of the Windows machine. That's why I noted here. You have to enter public IPv4 here, or you may enter public DNS. This is the public DNS of my Windows machine. You may enter anyone, either IPv4 or the public DNS. I can enter the public DNS. Click on connect option. Click on connect option. Then it is asking the username. What is the username here? Administrator. As is, we have to type it here. Username is administrator. What is the password? This is the password. See, if single character is missing, then your Windows machine is not connecting. That's why I can copy and paste it here. Click on OK. Click on yes. All the steps I have mentioned in my class material, friends. You don't worry about the steps. See, my Windows machine is connected from Mumbai region data center. It's taking the time, 1 or 2 minutes time it is taking. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. See that it's connecting from Mumbai region data center. See that. It's taking some time. We are connecting from Mumbai region data center. I am selecting the available default. It is selecting the availability zone is AP South 1B in the Mumbai region. My Windows machine will be connected. So meanwhile, what I am doing is I have to explore the points here. See that all the steps I have mentioned in my class material. Once you register the course, then you are getting the class material every day. See that. What is EC2 mission? EC2 stands for Amazon Elastic Cloud Computing. Amazon Compute Cloud or Amazon Cloud Computing, both of them are same. It is a web service that provides secure, scalable compute capacity in the cloud. See, Amazon EC2 currently supporting variety of operating systems, including Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, Windows Server, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, and so on. See, what are the steps we have to follow? To select the region, to select the EC2 service, click on launch instance. You have to enter the name, and given the name is Windows 101 I am given. Then you need to select the Amazon machine image or the operating system image. I am given as Windows I am selecting. You have to choose the instance type, that is T2.micro. You have to choose it. In Mumbai region, there are 538 instance types are there. As per your business needs, we have to select it. But for your practicing purpose, you have to select the instance type is T2.micro. See, you can create the key pair. All the steps which I have mentioned in my class material, friends. Just we follow the steps, then you are connecting your Windows machine. Why it is not connecting? Maybe the data center is down on that one. Anyone have any questions regarding today's session? I can launch the Windows machine. I want to connect it. See, I can connect one more Windows machine also with quickly, no problem at all. No, they are not given. If you ask the DurgaSoft certificate is providing. The course completion certification is providing. Course completion certificate is different. Certified is different. When you are certified with AWS, that certification will be valid throughout globally. So after completion of the course, then if you are asking the DurgaSoft, they are providing the course completion certification. Course completion they are given. I am telling that the associate level certification, right? Shaker. See, I can quickly launch how much time it is taking to launch and connect the Windows mission. I have to see that. I can quickly launch. It is a matter of 1 or 2 minutes time it is taking to launch your Windows mission, right? See that. Click on launch instant. I'm doing quickly. I'm selecting Windows operating system. Windows I'm selecting. Retire eligible one. T2.micro. Key pair. I'm selecting existing key pair, or if you want to select the new key pair also, no problem. Click on create new key pair. I am given the key pair name is Windows 101 key I am given. Okay. And PEM file format I am selecting. Network setting, edit option, default VPC. I am selecting AP South 1A so that my instance will be launched in AP South 1A. AutoSign public AP enable. Now I am creating the security group AP Windows 101 ST. Copy this security group, paste it here in the description. Inbound security group rule, RDP it is providing. Port range is 3389. Source type anywhere. Default storage 30 GB it is providing. Click on launch instant. Instant is launched in the Mumbai region data center. See that how much time it is taking to launch the Windows mission? Just it's a matter of 1 minute. Right? As per your business needs, you are launching the Windows mission. Now see that I am connecting or not. Maybe that data center on that availability zone may be down. That is the reason it's not connecting. That's why I can launch quickly that Windows mission. I can note down the public IP address for this Windows mission. This is the public IP address. I want to note down the private IP address for this Windows mission. No need. Direct also we can write at associate level. Okay, just wait. Within 5 minutes I can complete it and then you can raise the questions. Fine. See, I want to connect this Windows mission. Go for connect option. RDP client. Now I can note down the public DNS. The username is administrator. And the password. Upload the private key. I'm selecting the PEM file is Windows key. Click on open. Scroll down. Decrypt the password. I'm getting the password. I can note down here. Now I am connecting this Windows mission. I am using remote desktop connection. See that I am using the public IP address. This is the public IP address. See that I am selecting here and click on connect option. Then it is asking the username and the password. See, the username is administrator and the password I entered. Copy the password as is and paste it here. Click on OK. Click on yes. Then your Windows machine is connected from Mumbai region data center. See that it's connecting from Mumbai region data center. Just wait. Meanwhile, I am seeing that first Windows mission, it's not connecting. Meanwhile, if anyone have any questions regarding today's session, friends, any questions regarding today's session? Ball ready. Any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
No. Anyone have any questions? Raj, Sravanan, Sekhar, any questions? About keys. See, without key, you are not open your house also. See, like that, the keys, it is required to connect your Windows machine, to connect your Linux machine, to connect your Ubuntu also, right? Without keys, you are not connecting your Windows machine. Windows machine. See, in my class material, that point also I am representing, friends. That point also I am representing. What is the key pair? A key pair consisting of public key and the private key is a set of security credentials that used to provide your identity when you are connecting Amazon EC2 instance or the Windows or the Ubuntu Without key pair, you are not connecting your Windows machine or any server. Think both the missions. Yeah, see that, friends. It's not my laptop screen. I'm connecting from Windows server from Mumbai region data center. Click on here, yes. If you have doubt, I'm launching from Mumbai region data center and I am connecting that Windows machine. See that here at the top it is showing EC2-15-206-209-170. 170 I am remember 209.170. Now we have to check it here. Friends. At the instances, have to check it here. First mission I am taking. See that 209.170 means I am connecting the Windows machine from Mumbai region data center. Till now you have doubt. See here on the screen right side, it is also showing the details. Host name, instant ID. See this instant ID and see that what is the instant ID? The last number 30F95. 30F95. See here, this is the instant ID. Means I am launch and connect the Windows mission from Mumbai region data center. See, while launching the instant, what is the instant type I am selecting? T2.micro. On which availability zone your instant will be launched? AP South 1B. See here, your first Windows machine is launched in AP South 1B, right? That is here at the right side, it is showing the details. See, it is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory it is providing. What is the default storage it is providing for the Windows machine? We can click on here, File Explorer, and we have to observe that only 30 GB is there. That is nothing but the root volume. That's about, I can launch and connect the Windows machine from Mumbai region data center. See that we can click on this PC. See, friends. See, are you able to see 30 GB? The storage 29.9 GB is nothing but 30 GB. Here 13.9 is the free space. What about the remaining space? That is for Windows Server operating system installation. This is the space it is occupied. The remaining is the free space. Right? Sir, I need the additional disks. I need it. In upcoming session, I have to explain that how to add additional volume of disk, how we are attaching the additional volume from for first one Windows machine to another Windows machine, how we can attach and detach for the Linux machine also, at explore in upcoming session, friends. At explore in upcoming session. We'll see that second Windows machine is ready or not. It's taking some time. Okay, fine. See, you are using the cloud, whatever, after completion of your practice, you can terminate or you can delete it. See, in the beginning, while launching the instant, I am saying that what is the status check? Just hyphen it is showing. After 1 minute, the status check is initializing. Now we observe that, friends, what is the status check? 2 by 2 check is passed. 2 by 2 check is passed. And also we observe the EC2 dashboard. Already I am asking the question in the beginning, in the EC2 dashboard. How many instances are running? 0. Now how many instances are running? 2. What are the 2 instances are there? What are the 2 instances are there? These 2 instances are there. Windows and Windows 101. Windows and Windows 101. How many keypads were created in this session? The 2 keypads were created. Windows key, Windows 101 key. Got to see that how many security groups are there? 3 security groups are there. 1 default security group and 2 security groups were created. Windows SG, Windows 101. See, friends, in this session you are launching 2 Windows machine you are launching. That's why how many volumes it is showing? 2 volumes. If you click on here, see that. What is the default storage for the Windows machine? 30 GB. See here. Here also we have to observe. This is for one Windows machine. This is for another Windows machine. Sir, where you see here the volumes option here. Here on left side of the EC2 service, here on left side of the EC2 service, under the Elastic Block Store, volumes option is there. Volumes option is there. We can click on here also. Where the volumes option is there, here on left side, under the Elastic Block Store, volumes option is there. Here we can observe your Windows machine, the default root volume. Default root volume. See, what I am suggesting is, after completion of your practice, we have to terminate it. You have to terminate it. Tomorrow you need it. Again, you have to follow the steps and then we can connect it. So that your practice makes perfect. Just now I am saying that how much time it is taking to launch your Windows machine. Just it's a matter of 1 or 2 minutes. 1 or 2 minutes time only. Right? See, 1 or 2 minutes time only it is taking the time. For me, also, it is taking time to connect the Windows machine. Low RAM and the low CPU could be the reason. No. That is also one of the reason. T2.micro you are selecting. T2.micro instant you are selecting is nothing but one CPU, 1 GB memory only it is providing. That's also one of the reason. And also maybe the data center, the availability zone, particular availability zone, maybe the redundancy will be there. That is the reason it is connecting very slow, very slow. When you are connecting in upcoming sessions, if you are launch and connect the Windows machine, quickly it is connecting. Quickly it is connecting, right? If you choose the high-end configuration missions, then you need to pay the amount. You need to pay the amount. When you join the industry, obviously that T2.micro instant is not there. Obviously that T2.micro instant, it is not used. They are not used. They are using high-end systems they are using. High-end virtual machines they are using. Right? With that only they are working. Fine. And also friends, sir, you are saying that every day after completion of your practice, you have to terminate the servers. You have to terminate the Linux server. You are terminating the Windows machine. Yes, I am saying that for practicing purpose. In the real time, it will be terminate the mission. No, they are not terminating in the real time. In the real time, the server is running 24/7, 365 days it is running. If they terminate the mission, if they're terminating the Linux mission, if they're terminating the Windows mission, the entire data will be lost. They never stop also. They never stop the mission. The server is running 24/7, 365 days it is running. See that how to terminate the mission. Select the Windows mission. See instant state option is there. stop instant option is there, terminate instant option is there. Suppose if I am selecting stop instant, that is nothing but like shutdowning your laptop. Like shutdowning your laptop. Like shutdowning your laptop. On the next day, you no need to follow the steps. No need to follow the steps. Just we can connect the mission with the help of the remote desktop connection. See, when I am stopping the mission, automatically this connection will be closed. See here, this connection will be closed. Only this first Windows mission connection is there. Only this first Windows mission connection is there, right? That is when you are stopping the instant is nothing but like shutdowning your laptop. Shutdowning your laptop, right? Suppose you need the tomorrow, you need to run this mission. Select the mission, go for the instant state, start instant option is there. We can click on here. Because if I am continuously run that operation, then it is showing the red color mark. We have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Then we have to start the mission. Meanwhile, what I am doing is, I am selecting this first Windows mission. I can terminate this one. I am select the Windows mission to terminate the missions. Select the mission, go for the instant state, terminate or delete instant option is there. Click on terminate option. Here terminate option is there. See that. First, it is shut downing from the Mumbai recent data center and then terminated completely from the Mumbai recent data center. At backend, it will be terminated. But here on the screen, it is showing that terminate option it is showing. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Right now, it is showing shutdowning. Shutdowning. Now you'll see that if you want to start the Windows mission, select the Windows mission, start instant option is there. Till it is showing that it is taking some time, 1 or 2 minutes time it is taking, no doubt. See, when I'm stopping, then automatically the connection will also be closed. Closed. Those are the steps we have to follow, friends. If anyone have any questions, then we can terminate that mission also. See, if you see the dashboard, the key page I am creating, security groups I am creating. See, for key page and the security groups, AWS will not be charged. It's a free service. If you want to practice the deletion of the key pair and the security group, we can also delete it. Anyone have any questions regarding today's session, friends? Once you register the course, then every day you are getting recording videos and the class material, you got it, friends. Say regarding the course, training and the duration and the fee, you have to contact those numbers. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box, friends. Fine. Ravanan. Okay, you can contact the DURGASOFT. So they are providing the link just after completion of the demonstrations. They are providing the Google Drive link. On that Drive link, they are uploading the videos, everyday recording videos. Within 24 hours, they are taking the time. Suppose today completing the session, that tomorrow morning 10 o'clock or the 11 o'clock, they are uploading the video. That is uploading the recording videos point of view. The DURGASOFT will be taken care, and uploading the class material point of view, I am taking the care, right? When the last demonstration, tomorrow is the last, tomorrow is the last demonstration. The 3 demonstrations are there. Right now, this is the second demonstration. Tomorrow is another demonstration is there, right? See, the previous recording videos will be available on the YouTube channel. On DURGASOFT YouTube channel, they are uploading the yesterday recording video. See, I'll send it in the chat box also. Yesterday, day 1 recording video will be available. This day 2 recording video is also uploaded on YouTube channel on the same link. Any questions, friends? Any questions? Any questions? Yes, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday only sessions. Saturday and Sunday I am not taken. Any questions? Now see that I'm starting the instant, start the instant successfully initiated starting. Now if I refresh it here, the Windows mission, the running, right? It's taking 1 or 2 minutes time. If you do continuously, then it is showing the failed message. Okay, that's about today's session. I can, if no questions, then I'll end the session. If you have the questions, then I'll answer it. Okay, I'll end the session. Thank you.